How to repost on TikTok if it won't let you on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to repost on TikTok if it won't let you using your iPhone. This is going to be really easy, so let's get started by opening TikTok. Let me first show you how to repost on TikTok. To do so, you have to tap on the share button just below the save button on the right. And then you should see the following options. You have to tap on the yellow repost button. And the video is reposted. Very simple. But what if you don't have this option? Stay with me all throughout the video and I will show you a few troubleshooting steps you can try in order to repost on TikTok. First, you have to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. That should bring you to your profile where you can see the three-line icon on the right top corner. Tap Settings and Privacy and select Privacy under Account. On this page, you have to scroll down until you see Interactions. On the list are features you can turn on or turn off. If you can see your repost on the list, just tap on it and turn it on. Since this is not available to everyone, another option would be to go back to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Cache and Cellular. On this section, you have to tap Free Up Space and then Clear Cache. After successfully clearing cache, you have to restart the application. So just swipe up and remove TikTok on the list of the apps open. After restarting TikTok, like what I'm doing on my screen now, you have to once again open it and try to see if you can now repost. If it still didn't work, another option for you to try is to delete the app and reinstall it. But before deleting TikTok, try to also make sure that your application is up to date. To do that, from your home screen, just open your App Store and look up TikTok. If you see that an update is available, by all means, tap on Update and wait for it to download. In my case, my TikTok is up to date and the repost feature is available in my country. That's why I was able to repost the video in the beginning. If none of the troubleshooting steps work for you, it's probably because the feature is not yet available in your country. So just watch out for updates for TikTok and maybe on your next one it'll be available. But those are the things you can try to repost on TikTok if it won't let you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.